Good morning everyone. We are going to discuss about kinetic energy, the mathematical expression of kinetic energy. Firstly, what is kinetic energy? If we will discuss about the kinetic energy, we can say the energy of a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. If a body is in motion, because of that energy, this is known as kinetic energy. Now we can define in such a word. Suppose a body we consider moving with the initial velocity u, or we consider the initial velocity v and the mass of the object is m, and a force is working on an object. Like an object, a body is there moving with the velocity v, and we can say the mass of the object is m and it is moving. But as some external forces are working, like we can say friction is working, and because of these, slowly the body is stopping, and later on when the body reached here, covered the distance s and reached here, the body stops, means the final velocity v became 0. And suppose this was the initial velocity u, m, v became 0. Now later on what we did, we considered here the first thing, what is kinetic energy? The kinetic energy of a moving body is measured by the amount of work. How much work? And work is equal to the product of force and the displacement of the body. And how much work done by the body before it reaches to the rest position. As it will reach to the rest position, we can say how much work the body has done will be considered as the kinetic energy of the body. So in this situation, we can say W is equal to F into S, how much displacement is covered by the body and how much force applied on the body. Fine. So W is equal to Fs, this is our first equation. Now second equation, in this situation, we should be able to get V square is equal to U square plus 2S, our second equation of motion. But some things which we should consider, like A, acceleration. Body was moving and slowly the acceleration, body became in rest. Indicated it is not accelerated, the body became retardation. So retardation is taking place, indicated RA will be equal to minus A. Body came in rest, indicated final velocity of the body will be 0. And another thing, we considered initial velocity u here. Now final velocity became 0. So we can place the as the final velocity, we considered the term v. It can be capital V or whatever we like to consider, we can consider. Now we place these values here, v is equal to v. Now v square is equal to u square plus 2s. So u is equal to our initial velocity we considered as v. So v square, the value is 0, we placed all the values, and later on v square shifted here, v square is equal to 2s. This equation we got as second equation. As per the Newton's law, F is equal to ma, we got the value of a is equal to F upon m. This, with the help of third equation, we place the value here on the second equation. On the place of a, we got v square is equal to 2 F upon m into s. F into s is equal to W, as we have with the first equation. W is equal to Fs. So v square is equal to 2 Fs, means W is equal upon m. After cross multiplication, we got W is equal to half mv square, and this is equal to kinetic energy. So we can say this is the formula of kinetic energy, half mv square. So this is the mathematical expression of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Thank you.